Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create an API to post a comment on poll in Spring Boot application. So let's get started. So as you can see, a poll service. So inside this interface, let me define here the interface method with the name post comment on poll. Inside the argument, it will get an object of comment DTO. Let me import this and the return type of this method that we have comment DTO. Now let's go to the poll service implementation class. So here I'm going to implement the method with the name post comment on poll. Now inside this function, first we have to get the poll by ID. With this we have to get a logged in user by calling a function from JWT So let me copy the code from give like to poll function. Let me add inside this function. So first we have to get here poll by ID. Let me get the poll ID from comment dto dot get poll ID. After that we are getting here logged in user by calling a function from JWT As you can see, the implementation of get logged in user function. After getting optional poll and the user, we have the if condition where we have to check here user not is equals to null and optional poll is present. Then we have to create here the object of comment entity. After creating an object, first we have to set here user. Second we have to set here poll. Third we have to set here content. We get content from comment DTO dot get content. At the last I'm going to set here created at, that will be a new date, and we have to run here comment repository dot save. Inside the argument we have to pass here comment entity. So first let me inject here comment repository on the top. So it will be a private final comment repository. Let me call here the instance comment repository and the function save. Inside the argument we have to pass here comment object, and we have to run here get comment DTO. That is the helper function that will convert the entity to the DTO. We have to run here null in case if a user is null or optional poll is empty. After setting up this function inside poll service implementation class, let me open here poll controller. Let me duplicate this function. So a mapping that we have post URL that we have /poll /comment, name of a function post comment on poll. Inside the argument we have annotation @request body where we have to get here comment DTO. Now inside this function we have to call the function from poll service that we have post comment on poll. Inside the argument we have to pass here comment DTO. This function will return comment DTO. So let me create here an object of comment DTO, and it will be a posted comment DTO. After getting the method response, we have to check here posted comment DTO not is equals to null. Then we have to return the response with the status 200 OK. Inside the body, we have to pass here posted comment DTO. Inside the else block, we have to return here the response with the status bad request. Now you can take a look of a post comment on poll API, where from this controller we are calling it the method from poll service that we have post comment on poll. And as you can see, the implementation of post comment on poll function inside the poll service implementation class. So that's all for now from my side. Thanks for watching.